Meaning of deliverance.
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 Deliverance. Deliverance refers to the act of being rescued, liberated, or set free from a difficult or threatening situation. It is the act of delivering someone or something from harm or danger. The result of deliverance is a feeling of relief and freedom from the burden or fear that was previously experienced. It can also lead to a renewed sense of hope and gratitude for the opportunity to continue living without the weight of the past hanging over oneself. Overall, deliverance allows individuals to move forward with a greater sense of peace and security.